Quick update on our continuing winter storm. Core of the storm right now continues over southeastern New Mexico, but what it's doing, along with some cold air, is pushing that snow right up into the northern mountains, and we're seeing things fill in nicely in these areas. Meanwhile, here in the metro, well, it's interesting. If you're up in the foothills, we're accumulating snow. If you're down on the valley floor, we're seeing snow fall but not stick at this point, simply because temperatures are in the low to mid 30s right now, so it's still a shade too warm, but there is a lot of cold air across northeastern New Mexico. This will continue to slide down throughout the night tonight, and as we continue with the showers, most of them will change over to snow, but the storm itself will exit throughout the evening hours, so it will start to calm down out there. But in the Albuquerque area, we are trending toward freezing. We were at 36 a couple hours ago. Now we're down to 33. As we drop into the high 20s, that's when we'll have the best chance to accumulate at least an inch or two, maybe even on the valley floor. But again, this thing is not going to go beyond what we said yesterday, 1 to 4 inches it looks like, across especially the metro area, and much more over the northern mountains, where temperatures right now into the mid-20s, down across the south 30s and 40s with a mix of rain and snow out there. The warnings continue as well. Blizzard warnings across the northeastern portion of the state. Very gusty winds, seen some wind gusts around 60 miles an hour, along with heavy snow. Highway 64 major problems, I-25 major problems as well. I-40 is tricky as well. Meanwhile, winter storm warnings continue across the southeast, up into the northern mountains and out to the west through Catron County into tonight. Here in the metro area, we continue with our winter weather advisory. But again, we're just warm enough so that roads are not a huge problem, thankfully, out there for the metro, because as you go to the north, it's a much different story. Much more coming up throughout the next few hours, and especially coming up on KRQE News 13 at 4 o'clock.